We're going to talk about teeth whitening. And some of the questions that I hear are, what's the fastest way to do it? What's the best way to do it? So we can use the in-office professionally administered systems. They are probably the most predictable and probably the strongest, fastest way to lighten your teeth. The other way are the dentist administered take-home kits and the over-the-counter products that you can buy at any major store. Now, the most predictable, as I mentioned earlier, is the professionally administered one in the office. It is typically the most strongest material around that we use. Gives us the most predictable results. The take-home kits are good too, but they take longer. So if you have the time, not a bad way to go. The over-the-counter kits have a tendency to be the smallest concentration of material, and they will probably take the longest. So if you have an immediate need for having your teeth whitened, like say you have an event coming up for the weekend, the best thing to do is get to your dentist and have them do the professional in-office whitening.